Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, children, we have completed our explanation of lesson 7, right? Along with that, we had also completed checkpoint exercises, which is given in your course book. So, today we are going to start with application book B. Before that, we are going to write dictation words in our notebook and we are going to start with application book B, worksheet 8.1 and 8.2. Okay, children, are you all ready? So let's begin. So you are going to make three columns. One time you will write these dictation words in class and two times you will write it at home as a homework. Okay, children? So first word is soluble, second is solvent, third is coolant, fourth is melting, fifth is condensation, sixth is universal, seventh is absorb, eighth is cluster, ninth is evaporation, and 10th word is solidification. Okay, children? Now we will start with application book B, worksheet 8.1, which is given on page number 32. Question A. Fill in the blanks. First one. The earth is known as the dash planet. So as we all know, the earth is known as the blue planet. So blue is the correct answer. Second one. Our earth's surface is covered with dash percent of water. So children, as we all know that our earth's surface is covered with 70% of water. Dash percent is the fresh water available on earth. That is 2.5% is the fresh water available on earth. Fourth one, all living things need dash to survive. So we all living things need water to survive. Dash is the water present deep under the surface of the earth. So that is groundwater, which is good for drinking purpose, right? Now you have to identify question B. You have to identify the errors in each statement and write them correctly. So first one, pure water has fixed shape and white color. So what is the incorrect thing over here? Pure water has no fixed shape and no color. Okay. Second one, oil is called a universal solvent. No, oil is not called a universal solvent, but water is called a universal solvent. Third one, water cannot absorb heat. So we will correct this sentence. So correct sentence is water can absorb heat. Question 4. Water is found in all four basic states of matter. Right? So water is found in all three basic states of matter, not four basic states of matter. Fifth one, ice is the liquid form of water. So ice is not the liquid form, ice is the solid form of water. Question C. What happens when water is kept in a freezer? So water turns into ice on cooling. Second one. Ice is kept outside the freezer. Then what will happen? The ice melts and turns into water. Third one. What will happen when water is boiled? So water changes into water vapor on boiling. Now, we'll start with application book worksheet 8.2, which is given on page number 34, question A. Answer in one word. First one, the process by which a solid changes into a liquid on heating, that is called melting. Sorry. Second one, the process by which a liquid changes into a gas on heating, this process is called evaporation. Third one, the process by which a gas changes into a liquid on cooling, then this process is called as condensation. Question 4. the process by which a liquid changes into solid. On cooling, so this process is called solidification. Fifth one, the substance that dissolves in a liquid, so that is called as solute. And we had already done the experiment in that we have seen that the substance which we dissolve, that is called as solute. Then the liquid in which the solute is, that solute is dissolved, that is solvent. And a mixture of solute and solvent is called as solution. So fifth answer will be solute. Sixth, the liquid in which solute is dissolved, answer will be solvent. Seventh, a mixture of solute and solvent will be solution. So children, I hope you all have written dictation words in your notebook. Two times you will write it at home. And we have solved application book worksheet 8.1 and 8.2. I hope whatever we have done that is clear to you all. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye children.